Hi, my name is Francesca and I recently had a laminectomy with Dr. Anthony Virella. Back in October, I woke up with pain in my legs and wasn't sure what it was. I went to an orthopedist and he assumed that I would need fusion surgery. He did an MRI and an X-ray, and I did some physical therapy and a cortisone epidural, which tend to work for about 2 weeks. When I started the physical therapy is when the pain started radiating more into my lower back, and just wasn't real comfortable. So I decided that maybe I should look for another doctor and get a second opinion. So when I first met Dr. Virella, I came in and we went over everything, and he recommended the laminectomy, and I was pleased to find out that he wasn't real quick to want to do major surgery. And he seemed like he knew what he was talking about. I was felt very comfortable with him. And I went home and spoke to my husband, and we decided to go ahead and schedule the procedure. So after my surgery, I felt so much better. Before my surgery, I could not put my legs together or lay them on top of each other because it was so painful. And I noticed right away I could sleep through the night. My legs could touch and there was no more pain. I generally felt much better. I watched my granddaughter full-time for my daughter, and I was worried how it was going to be, having to lift her in and out of the stroller or the car seat. I was careful the first couple of months like he told me to be, and now there's no issues at all. I'm 3 months out, and I can lift her with no pain now. So it's really wonderful to be able to do these things that I couldn't do before. After recently going through this surgery, for anyone who is living with this type of pain, or for anyone who's afraid to go through this, I have to say that I'm so thrilled that I did it, and there's no reason to be afraid. The office staff is wonderful, Dr. Virella is wonderful, and they've made me feel very comfortable, and I would do it again in a heartbeat if I had to.